Here I've got Zopo Speed 7 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Scroll down and pick language and input, and now go to the first tab, which is language. Now, as you can see, you have the white list of languages here, so everyone will find something suitable. Let me pick, for example, Croatian, and as you can see, from now on, everything is in Croatian. So then, if you would like to go back to the default settings to English or some other language, just open the settings, then find this icon, so click on the language. Now select the first tab and locate the language that you would like to have. I will pick English UK. And as you can see now, we are immediately back in the English, so that's it, and the default one. So now you can change the language whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.